Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. It's so early in the morning. I mean, like early. It is about maybe 4 something in the morning. Trust me, I wish I was telling y'all I am about to go catch a flight. But no. Today we're going fishing. This is the first time I have ever gone fishing, and my dad is taking me, and Royalty is going, and Greg is going. So we're all going fishing. Zion is not interested. I even told him last night. He was like, no. No. So, yeah. So, I'm here getting myself together. Asking the Lord to give me strength to spend a couple of hours with my father, because he's too much. But I'm sure it will be comical, because my dad is very funny. He's very, very funny. Okay. Very, very funny. So, we shall see what today brings. No, I don't know how to fish. I don't know the first thing about fishing, and I don't even know what to say. This is gonna be funny. This is gonna be very funny. But I'm up early. I'm ready. Royalty is up. Royalty was up before me. She came in her room fully ready. Like, oh, Grandpa's coming, right? I'm like, yup. And my dad texts me like 3 something in the morning. From us, is Sleeping Beauty up? Go, boy. So, and my father, he thinks that, like, I have an issue with getting up in the morning. If somebody wants to do something, they're gonna do it. If you don't wanna do it, you're not gonna do it. Period. This hair is so pretty, but I feel like I need to get more control of it in a way. I definitely don't want it puffy like this, because okay, that looks better. Wait for my father to stay downstairs. Then go get me a coffee, cause I need that. That's a must. I got like a braid right here. I did like a braid over, cause I didn't really know. I mean, I could have put my headband there, but in a sense, even this is too long, y'all. Like, I could, like, right here is good enough for me. I don't usually be having my hair long. I really don't. I always like to look like I'm glowing, right? Yeah. Little shimmer, little lip, and we good to go. And we good to go. And my hair's not perm, y'all, so listen, this gonna have to just don't get close. Just don't get close up on me. But you see what's happening, right? Okay. We're good to go. We are good to go. Royalty is over there. Yeah, I see her. I am bringing my water.
Can I see that? Hi, guys.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Royalty was the first one up.
Yeah.
I told them that. They do.
You said you're gonna wake me up, but you didn't.
I know. You got up before me. So I gotta take my water. I have to stop at the store because I told you I want to get coffee.
Can I get a granola bar? A protein? Joking.
And Royce, do you want an egg and cheese? Huh? Do you want an egg and cheese?
Grilled cheese.
A grilled cheese?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at my baby.
So a coffee. Oh, you see the glow? I told you.
Can I do my skincare?
Girl. Yeah, so we're up and moving. And all right, I see y'all when I'm in the car.
I'm so scared that I wouldn't wake up.
Well, I put her Crocs in the bag and she got on a tank top. But, because I figure by the water will be chilly across the street. My father told me he been here since 4:45.
Which way?
Right there. You don't see his truck? Oh, why would I do that? He's sleeping. My father's too much. He's just too much. Get down here. What do you want now? The shopping cart. He could have let me know that when I was already upstairs. He called me, texted me, and let me know I've been down here since 4:45, sleeping. Oh, let the day begin. Oh boy. So I guess we're gonna go by the water. Not too far from my house. That we could walk. I think I gotta cut this hair. You think so, Rosie?
Sure, Bob.
You know me already. So it's me and Rosie and Greg up there. Walking to the water. We got our fishing rods.
A banana.
And she got a banana. She said it's not sweet because it don't have no dots. Interesting fact. Yeah. Heading fishing. See you when we reach. Say good morning. Look. So how you know when you got something? It starts shaking? The rod starts shaking? You know you got something? It's up to you. Yeah, it's fine.
All right.
And the sun is shining. It's nice outside. You've gone fishing in other states? What? My back is sweating. Hold on, boo-boo. The water's
I
so.
was on there seeing fish there in the water.
And here, yeah, people catch fish in here for real. Think there's no fish in here, Greg?
It's obviously the ocean.
That is massive.
To this side, just in case you was left-handed. So some people be like, well, this is awkward.
Oh,
Switch the
okay.
handle to the right side, you know?
Anything we catch, I get cooked in there.
You must be mad.
That's nice.
Get the artillery.
So I guess this is Greg's rod. One hell of a long rod. So what made you get into fishing? You've been doing it for a while.
Since my grandfather.
Oh, okay.
Three. Got to be very careful because these hooks you don't like them, but they hurt.
Which ones? Oh.
Look,
What?
loose, wait.
It's so beautiful. The sun is shining. And I forgot my shades. Oh, how is that? I forgot my shades. Eating her grilled cheese. And I'm about to go over there to them. Let's see. Oh.
Let's see what Grandpa catches.
You want to see if he catch something? Huh? Hello, you finished? Put this in the garbage. That. And keep the tissue.
I can tell it's over.
You buy them fresh?
Yeah.
I never seen them that big. Ever in my life. I never seen a. Oh my goodness.
All the way through.
Look how Gary messing with the worm. Greg, you cut him in half?
Still alive.
You cut. Ooh.
He needs some water after that.
Make sure you like comfortable where you can, you put it on comfortable. There you go. Uh-huh.
Greg. Where's the napkins? Look at that.
There's no napkins. I think. You see the blood dropping?
Yes.
Yeah, you gotta hook them up all the way.
I see it's
Yeah,
shaking.
you gotta go right around that hook, all the way down, right on top. There you go.
I'm not putting that one.
Grandpa. Yeah, I don't think fishing is for me. The worm.
I see it shaking a little.
You're gonna hear the bells. When you
Is
catch
a bell
something.
on there?
Yeah, it's a bell at the tip. It's gonna go.
How does fishing take so
So
long?
now,
Poor worm. I want to see the other half of the worm. Blech. Get that away.
let me move it down so you can.
Royalty. Come.
All right. So now, go like this. At that same time, you swing this way. Let it go. Okay. It's like that. Go. Whoop. Like that. Got it, right?
What? I'm right here.
Hopefully a kid doesn't pick him up.
There you go. That's good, but it went that way. You got it.
It's a learning lesson, right? I don't know if I could do it. You tired? Yeah, you woke up early.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Alright. Stop, right?
So that green
So they're
thing.
putting a bell on it so that if he catches something, the bell will shake off. Husband got this down packed now. Okay. I like the angle. You was like looking like Usain Bolt. The worm is in here, in this box.
Don't open it.
I don't blame you. You think fishing is more of a boy sport or a girl sport?
Girls do it. So it's
Girls
mostly
do
the
it, but
same.
you feel like it's equal? Especially the country women. They love the fishing. I don't mind like getting a chair and sitting down and watching husband fish. Play some music, have some food.
Are you gonna
Greg
text
got
her
this
me?
down packed. I don't know how. Oh. Maybe we distracted him a little bit. She can't hang. Royce can't hang.
Look, is that a bird? It's a bird.
Let me see.
It's a dog.
Oh, look. Oh, wow. Look. Look. And oh, he's spreading his wings. Damn.
I think
Getting some sun trying to dry off his wings. Too cute.
He's trying to get ladies.
He's trying to get some ladies?
Yeah, he's
Damn.
trying to get a mate.
Wow. Look what we catch early in the morning. Let me see your bell, boo.
You might be fighting for something.
Right?
Huh? Yeah, just pull it up, because sometimes they play possum with you. You know what I mean? Like he ain't really on it, you know?
I'm swinging this. So what you do? Swing it back in there?
Huh?
You swing it back in?
Yeah, you throw it right back in there. Yeah, but he hit it. Like this guy right here. Oh!
Oh!
I saw my reel going like this.
Oh, shoot.
First catch. That's our bass?
That's a striped bass, yeah. Yeah.
How you know to fish it? Whoa!
Let me take you one.
Oh.
There you go.
Hey.
With the hook, that's all. There you go, Greg. Alright. See the hook? Same way it went in, back it
So
up.
they don't bite?
Nah, they don't got no teeth. They got teeth is way back down
Oh.
there. There you go. Look at Greg. Alright. There you go. Leave it. I'm gonna use the same bait.
Look.
He ain't going nowhere. There you go.
Oh my
There
God.
you go.
Look at his mouth.
Yep.
So who put him in there?
Yep.
Eh?
What you put him in?
Huh? Oh, yeah, I just put them in a bag or whatever, you know. Yeah. Stripe.
Ooh.
They come
I got a plastic
they come
bag.
bigger than
Go for
that.
your back. Go for your back.
I want to touch
Wait. They caught a fish, y'all. Yeah, hold on, boo boo.
And then once you overcome, like, that right there is like 10 foot or whatever.
Yeah.
And
One
I'm going to
fish.
tell you,
Let me
when
see.
you get really good at it,
Hi, fishy.
watch.
The kind of fish you get?
Yo.
You know, maybe this wasn't really so much about me.
My hair
Maybe this is for Greg. Because he's loving it. And I love that for him. Hey, what you see?
You look like Moana.
Moana. Rosie said I look like Moana. Do I, y'all? I'm put a picture of Moana right here. Do I?
Your hair.
Oh, the hair, not the face. Oh. This face card never declined, boo. Boo.
And my face card is available anytime.
Oh. That girl said her face card is available any day, anytime, right, boo? She's so beautiful. Mm-hmm.
So the shorter your
I love this for them. Breezy, we could have stayed in the house and they could have came out here together, right? Give them the bell so that they could put it on to catch another fish. He gonna pull it up, the seagull's gonna jump it. Ooh, look. This one might be a little hefty. Hey, so pretty. Look, Greg. This one might be a little. Look. Look at him, Greg.
I never knew a fish throat was that long.
It's the, what you call it? Oh, the seagulls don't try to attack it. Watch. Oh.
Daddy.
So we are back in the house. We just got back in. Husband.
Calm yourself.
You see they caught a fish. Close that, Royalty. And he is now about to gut it, clean it. What kind of fish is it again, Greg?
Sea bass.
Ooh, it's scaring me. A striped sea bass. So
Careful with mine to get Daddy.
I enjoyed just being there with my husband and my father. I loved that Greg enjoyed himself and fishing and how they was bonding.
Can I have my cake?
Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna give you cake. Yeah, I love that for husband. They definitely were bonding over fishing, which is cool. I was just happy to be there. The weather was really, really nice. The water was nice.
No, it wasn't.
The
weather
breeze was
nice. It was hot.
to you. I did get darker. Only thing, the sun starts to drain you a little bit. You do start to get a little drained by the sun. That I will say. But other than that, it was cool. And I did get darker.
Ow.
Let's see. On my arms. See my arms, boo? I was starting, look at my legs. I was starting to roast out there.
It's not
My baby got up out of there fast. Right,
It's not my
Royalty?
fault.
Royalty, you got up out of there fast?
Yeah.
Where you put your earrings?
On my bed. Don't be mad at me.
You better find them.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, we're done. After that, we left. I went to the supermarket to go get some sandwich meat, some bread, a drink, some chips, because that's what it is. We had a long week, I feel, of eating. I need a break. I don't need nothing too heavy. But, oh, this is the end.
Baby.
This is the end.
Silence.
Get the bad mind one.
I said silence.
This is it, y'all. This is the end of the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Comment down below if you're into fishing. Yeah, turn on your post notifications so when I post you can pull up, see what I got going on. And I love you guys. Thank you for everybody that has been watching. Your girl is being consistent. I have much more videos to come. I'm not giving up this time. Normally I throw in the towel. I'm not throwing it in. I'm just going to keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I feel so motivated and encouraged, and I'm just going to keep going. And yeah, thank you to everybody who's watching and who's a part of the Sade Boo gang, 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 gang. I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next vlog.